Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to call anyone without showing your phone number. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Google and search for glove phone. Here you can see glove phone. Click on it. Now open the call option. Press on this. Now press on this arrow option. Now give your phone number and press on this continue. That's it. So this is how to call anyone without showing your phone number. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.